Hello guys, today we are going to be reviewing the best diary apps for your Android device. So I have checked each of these apps and I have used them to a great extent and I have came up on this list. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. And yeah, let's get to the video. The first one is Pensu. Pensu is great for your personal diary. You can attach your photos, recordings and all that stuff, and you can app lock it with a separate in-app lock. And yeah, overall it's a great app. So next one on the list is Evernote. So now Evernote is also known as one of the best notebooks, online notebooks that you can get on your phone, smartphone as well as the web page. So it's a really great option for students as well as if you wanna make a day planner or just have a productive day. And I have to tell you that this app has the most functionality out of all these apps. So next on the list is Journey. Now Journey is more of like a personal journal, as the name suggests. Now we can add your photos, videos and recordings, but each page of the journal has a limit up to 4 pages, and if you buy the premium you can take that away. And yeah, it's overall a great app, and it also has a mood tracker. And comparing it to the first option, Pensu, this is definitely better. Talking about moods, this app is all about moods and recording it. So this app is totally focused on recording your moods and how you feel with doing a particular activity, and it allows you to check them out after some time or immediately itself. And it can also show you your monthly mood chart, and it has this special option of yearly plan, which shows you your overall mood over the days, and it's a really good app. It does have a little bit of limitations for the free version, but still it's a great app to track your particular activity, what you're doing, and if you like doing it. And I just find it a really good app to find out what I've been doing over the week, and if it was productive or if it was a good week for me. So the next app on the list is a minimalistic app, and it does the basic things, and it is the most simplistic app on this list. It just records what all you did, your activities, and it can show you how much you did it over the days and months and percentages and all the statistics that you might ever want. And it has these cool widgets. They are super cool to look at, and they have a minimalistic look to it, and it's just great. Even though it is minimalistic, you can change the colors of the different tasks, and you can also set reminders to it, and so it's really a great app. So yeah guys, that's about it for my list of best diary apps. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and I'll see you on the next video.